The internet is currently in a state of total shock. Tech giants like Intel and Microsoft are scrambling to react to what might be the most disruptive move in Apple's entire history. We are standing on the edge of the M5 Mac Mini revolution. If you are planning to buy a new PC, a heavy laptop, or a high-end workstation, you need to stop everything right now. Put your wallet away. A massive wave of highly credible leaks from deep within the supply chain has just revealed that the upcoming Apple M5 and M5 Pro Mac Mini will completely destroy the desktop market. This is not just a regular yearly update. This is a total reset of what a budget computer is allowed to do. Apple is essentially handing you the keys to a Ferrari for the price of a bicycle. The performance numbers coming out of secret testing labs are causing genuine panic among competitors. We are diving into the massive leaks that Apple desperately wanted to keep hidden from the public eye. The undeniable proof of this upcoming monster was discovered deep inside Apple's own software systems. Brilliant researchers at TechSpot recently did a deep dive into the leaked iOS 26.3 developer code. While they were looking for bugs, they found something much bigger. They uncovered direct, hard-coded references to unannounced Apple silicon. They found the internal chip identifiers, T6051 and T6052. These specific numbers perfectly match the platform codes H17C for the M5 Max and H17D for the M5 Ultra. TechSpot confirmed that Apple's new desktop chips are already alive and actively communicating with the newest operating systems in secret labs. This means the hardware is finished and the wait is almost over. But the biggest shocker is what Apple is finally doing to the base model specs. For years, we all suffered with terrible storage limits and low memory. We felt forced to pay the Apple tax just to get a machine that didn't stutter when opening more than 10 Chrome tabs. That era of frustration is officially dead. The highly trusted leaker Mark Gurman just dropped a massive bombshell on X. He confirmed that the 2026 M5 Mac Mini is locked for a Q2 release. But here is the part that is changing everything. Gurman confirmed the base model will permanently start with a 512GB SSD and 16GB of RAM as the absolute minimum. Even with these doubled specs, the price remains aggressively at $699. This version delivers a 45% GPU jump over the previous M4 generation. Gurman literally wrote that the PC market is terrified, and he is right. Experts at Macworld in the USA corroborated this data. They verified that the base M5 chip delivers a massive 28% improvement in memory bandwidth. Apple is killing the 256GB tire forever. This insane power provides absolute freedom for creators and developers. Think about your current daily struggles. Imagine dragging heavy, high-resolution 4K or even 8K footage into your editing software without any lag. On older machines, scrubbing through a long-form 14-minute video causes massive stuttering. The UI freezes up and ruins your flow. You lose hours of your life every week just waiting for the computer to catch up to your brain. But with the M5's 45% GPU jump, those timeline previews are buttery smooth. You can scale your UI and render effects instantly. If you are a programmer writing complex Python scripts or using libraries like Open for computer vision, you know how budget computers usually choke. The M5 handles complex compiling instantly without breaking a sweat. The core architecture making this possible is mind-blowing. Over in China, Baidu Tech leaked confidential internal performance charts. They revealed the M5 Pro's exact engine breakdown. It rocks 6 super CPU cores and 12 medium CPU cores. These supercores hit an astonishing 4.61 GHz boost clock with a massive 24 MB memory cache. This allows the machine to shred through heavy multi-core processing tasks like 3D modeling and scientific simulations. The legendary leaker Ice Universe confirmed this exact data. He posted leaked benchmarks, confirming the single core speed and revealed that memory bandwidth hits an unbelievable 153 GB per second. Every single GPU core is now stuffed with a next-generation neural accelerator. This means AI performance is absolutely insane. third-generation ray tracing, and heavy local AI tasks run natively on your desk. You don't have to send your private data to the cloud anymore. You can run large language models and image generation locally, in seconds, on a machine that fits in your backpack. Usually, a computer this fast sounds like a jet engine and gets incredibly hot. Thermal throttling usually ruins the experience of a small computer. But Apple found a secret weapon to solve the heat problem once and for all. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo revealed that M5 Pro production has officially started using a brand new 2.5D fusion packaging. This technology physically connects the CPU and GPU tiles together. The tech website Notebook Check investigated this and confirmed Apple is using TSMC SoIC-H packaging technology. This allows the M5 Pro to support up to 64 GB of lightning-fast LPDDR5X RAM while staying ice-cold and dead silent. Amazingly, all of this fits into the same beautiful 5x5-inch ultra-compact design. The leaker Shrimp Apple Pro confirmed there is no external redesign. But the ports are getting a massive leap. The base model gets standard Thunderbolt 4, while the Pro model gets the blazing fast Thunderbolt 5. Reports from Mac Observer confirm the 2026 Mac Mini will also feature future-proof Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6.0. You even get dual front-facing USB-C ports, so you never have to reach behind your desk again. This is about more than just specs. It is about the end of the expensive workstation era. Why would anyone spend $3,000 on a tower that generates heat and noise when this $699 box outperforms it in total silence? In my best opinion, this upcoming M5 Mini is the greatest value proposition in the history of desktop computing. It is the most important hardware release since the original M1 chip. Apple is basically handing you a professional, high-end studio computer for the price of a budget office machine. For $699, getting 512 GB of storage, 16 GB of RAM, and a chip that can handle the heaviest coding and rendering tasks is simply unmatched. You do not need to spend thousands of dollars on a bulky Windows tower anymore. This little box will completely revolutionize your workflow and easily last you for the next 5 to 7 years without a single hiccup. It is an absolute masterpiece of engineering that makes everything else look like a toy. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.